Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing this cordless lawnmower by Makita. So we'll just go and have a look what's there. So this is how it comes. I haven't unpacked it myself yet, so we're going to all have a look what's there inside. What we got here? So it comes with the charger and spanners, bits and bobs. So it comes with the bag, there's all your instruction manuals, which I would suggest you to read. I'm no specialist. There you go. That's your lawnmower's model name, instruction manual, mostly where you're going to read through all the bits and pieces, what you might need, how to use, etc, etc. Maintenance, safety. Obviously don't do it in flip-flops, that's not very safe. Have some goggles at least. So this is obviously your functions, what you can do, can't do, etc. Setting it up. So what we'll do, we'll set it up, because I obviously, as you know, I just opened it, so I don't have a clue, and then we'll actually find out how easy it is to assemble it together. So let's put this somewhere. We might need them instructions as well ourselves. So, oh, look at that. Let's put that away. But that's handle. That's another bit. Oh. So that wheel must go there somewhere. Oh yeah, that is there, and those screws which were in the bag, they will be doing something. So this is comes with the battery. It's 18 volt. So you can get a bigger ones. This is a baby one. There's a bigger versions of these as well, but this was actually, before I forget, this I purchased Stanley Power Tools. I want to thank them for giving me a good price on them. I'll leave their website, link to their website in the description below, so you can check them out. They have some great deals now and again, and yeah, so do check them out, because you can get a bargain. And this was just over £200, which is, I think, good value. So we got a bag of these clips, goodies. I think we need to look at the instruction manual. I haven't checked it myself, so we don't break anything. All seems to be sort of mostly assembled anyway. So we got, as you can see, we got figure 1 showing these screws here. These here are for attaching that bar, this bar, to here. So that's what we're gonna do. So you go like that and you spin it in, and there's actually a slot where it sits. Let's get other side on. I think that's on. I think I tightened this one too much. Need to leave a bit more room. Not that much. Yeah, that's okay. Let's see what it says again. So we've done step 1. So it shows you that it needs to be in a slot. You can see slots here, like recess in the plastic. So that's where you want to be. Right, second or third, we need to put this handle on. It's got some screws here, and that will, you got like a slight adjustment, as you see, depending how tall you are. So let's see where we would need it, probably on the, should I say second one? I think so. Yeah, second one probably will be alright. But you always can change that, that's not a big problem. Again, it's nice, don't really need any tools. It's got a screw, a coach type of screw on one end and then a thread on another end, so it's fairly easy, no need really for tools. So we'll put these on, which way they advise you to do it. Okay, so they go from inside these. So the screw is going to go from outside. Let's go. That's one. Let's start you off. Oh, yeah, that's on. So, oh, this is what this is. Let's see. That's your bag, that's your blade. Obviously everything is plastic, which in a way it's good because it's not gonna rust. But I guess if it flicks a stone, then you might have a little trouble. So what the safety features saying? What we got battery wise? Have we got battery? No, I'm gonna have to, oh, 2 bar. But I'm gonna have to put this on charge, but I got different batteries, so I get another battery. So the battery, I just put one on or in to what I had. These are your settings of how low you want your grass to be cut. As you can see, you got 8 settings. So we're gonna try to go on 4 or 3 first. There's not much grass at the minute here, but there will be at some point. So we got a few clips. Oh, what's this? What's that? So you got this, and what that is for? That's like a cartridge lock key, so that needs to go in. That's safety first, obviously, and then we got last thing is this clip for the cable. Like that. That's it, and that holds that in a position. Right, so I think it's time to start her up and have a look what we can do. Right, obviously this is your safety, so you got to pull this, and then you got a red button here, then you press that and pull, and that's how it starts. Saying that, what we did forget, we forget to put this on, but as there's not much to do, it's actually quite easy. Pull that, it's got 2 hooks, and it just hooks on this bar. There's a metal bar, then this flap goes down. As you can see there's your, like a rubber seal. This is bag for your grass. Obviously we don't have much grass to mow. We can go try maybe there a little bit. Let's try. There's a bit more grass. Right, we can do a lower on number 2, for instance. What you do need to watch is obviously stones. Make sure you got no stones where you're going to be cutting. So yeah, so far so good. We're gonna test it better when there's more grass to test it on, but it seems to be trimming quite good, even though it's a dry grass. So we got a little patch there, we're gonna go over that. So yeah, so as for beginner and for your own home, if you got not too much grass to cut, I think it's perfect. You got no cable to worry about, it's all battery powered, especially if you got battery tools as I do, Makita ones, so you got plenty of batteries spare to use. So yeah, I can't really fault it. Obviously time will only show how it lasts, but so far so good. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.